welcome back to Gourmet Leftovers 101. Today we're going to be making barbecue bacon cheddar chicken on croute. So we're going to start off with a couple of chicken breasts, and then we're just going to slice them in half there. Now you could actually use, depending on the size of your chicken breast, just a half a chicken breast for each, but I'm going to make pretty big ones. I'm going to use the whole chicken breast. Now you're going to want to season those chicken breasts with salt and pepper. And then we're going to put a couple slices of cheddar cheese in the middle. And put the tops back on. And then we're going to wrap each of those in some bacon. Try to tuck the bacon underneath so that it holds its way shut. And then grab a couple pieces of puff pastry cut out to about the right size of the chicken breasts. It's not a big deal if the chicken breasts are a little bigger or a little smaller than the puff pastry. And then we're going to place our chicken on the puff pastry. And then we're going to paint on just a little bit of barbecue sauce. Or who am I kidding? Maybe a lot of barbecue sauce. And then we're going to top that off with another piece of puff pastry. So you just want to put a few little cuts in it to kind of give it that nice little lattice kind of look on the top. I actually stretched mine and ripped mine a little bit. As you'll see when it cooked, it comes apart, but try not to pull them apart like I did. And then top that off with a little bit of egg wash, brush it on. And then we're going to bake that in an oven for about 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius until the internal temperature gets to 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. And you're just going to want to let those rest for a couple minutes. And then you're going to plate that up there. I served it with a little side Caesar salad and some fresh corn on the cob. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And why don't you check out some of these other great videos. We'll see you next time.